Are you tired of feeling like you can't properly clean between your teeth on the go? Or maybe you're looking for a convenient way to maintain your oral hygiene without a lot of hassle? Well, today I'm diving into a product that could be a game changer for your daily routine, the GuruNanda Interdental Picks with Travel Case. These flexible rubber bristles are designed to clean between your teeth, massage your gums, and even tackle plaque. But are they really as effective as they sound? Let's find out. Before we get started, if you're new to Beautyistic, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a review that helps make your beauty and health routine easier. Now, let's take a closer look at what the GuruNanda Interdental Picks bring to the table. These picks are equipped with special rubber bristles that claim to be super effective at removing food and plaque from between your teeth. The bristles not only clean but also massage your gums, which is something I love because it promotes healthy circulation in the gums, making your mouth feel refreshed. Each pick is designed for single use, which is perfect if you're always on the go or need something quick and hygienic for travel. Speaking of which, the travel case is a nice touch, making it easy to carry them with you wherever you go. Whether you're at home, at work, or on a trip, these picks are easy to use and take up minimal space. They're also safe for people with orthodontic bridges, crowns, or implants, which is a big plus if you have dental work done. I've been using these picks in my own routine for a little while now. I'll be honest, I was a bit skeptical at first about how effective they would be compared to traditional floss or even my electric toothbrush's flosser. But I have to say, they definitely do the job. The rubber bristles have just the right amount of flexibility to get in between teeth without feeling too harsh on the gums. Plus, I really appreciate that I can use them anywhere, on my way to work, after meals, or even while traveling. The experience is really smooth. I just slide the pick gently in and out between my teeth, and it grabs everything, from food particles to plaque. It feels like a mini gum massage every time. The only downside I can see is that since they're single use, you might go through them quickly if you use them multiple times a day. But hey, for convenience and hygiene, that's a small price to pay. So what's the verdict? Well, for what you get, a portable, hygienic, and effective tool for keeping your teeth clean, the GuruNanda Interdental Picks are definitely worth considering. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: super convenient with the travel case, easy to use, gentle on gums, effective plaque removal, safe for dental work. Cons: single-use design could lead to needing more picks for frequent use, which can add up over time. Now, is this product worth the price? For me, it definitely is. It's not the cheapest option out there, but the convenience, portability, and effectiveness justify the cost. If you're someone who needs to keep your teeth clean while traveling or at work, these picks are a solid investment. If you're looking for something similar at a lower price, there are some other options out there, like traditional floss or reusable picks, but they don't offer the same level of convenience or the gum massaging feature. Before I wrap up, I want to ask, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear how these picks worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.